So I've scheduled my first scary Twitter space on International Women's Day to launch womenofjamstack.com. We're going to start building that today. The site is going to feature some extremely special guests. Check out who I have got to join me. Cassidy Williams, I got Stephanie Eccles, I got TZ Minikzik, I got Brittany Posma, musical web dev, the Green Greek Sia, and Laura Gift. I am honored to be joined by these women who build stuff on the Jamstack and are inspirational in the community. The site's going to feature these 8 people, and then I'm going to make it easy to contribute, to add yourself should you be a woman who works on the Jamstack who wants to feature yourself on the site. I think I'm going to use Eleventy in the most basic way possible. I got a project directory, create a package JSON, npm init, Women of Jamstack. License is MIT. Yes. Okay. Install. All we need is an index.html. I need a source folder, don't I? And index is going to go in source. While I'm here, I'm actually going to copy over a lot of the configuration of my other project, actually, because why not? Let's take the Eleventy config, which goes there, and delete some stuff. So let's take my Sass stuff from here and add it to here. So we've got watch Sass, build Sass, watch Eleventy, build Eleventy, build dev. Right, so now I need to install npm run all and Sass. I want to make this as easy as possible for people to contribute to. So on the Eleventy config, I'm going to have an input data folder inside source, new folder, data. I'm going to have an includes. I'm going to have a layout. I'm going to have a public because I'm going to need some favicons and stuff. Let's just put a robots.txt in there. It's going to be Women of Jamstack. So that will copy that over to the site folder when it runs. It's going to copy my public to the root, watch target for CSS, and the Sass is going to build to CSS. So let's have a new folder of CSS. I'm going to put my base layout in. I'm going to have a header and a footer. Do you know what? I don't even need header and a footer right now. I can add the header and footer in here. Header, footer. So if I have index.md and I have my front matter, and if I put some content on here, content, netlify init, might as well put it on netlify to get the netl dev. Create a figure, a new site, the claw, Women of Jamstack. I need dev stuff. And my npm run dev is npm run all. Okay, cool. YOLO. All right, I've set it up. I'm going to create an initial commit. Look, Women of Jamstack is building. It's already live. Let's go. Our site is live. We have a live YOLO Women of Jamstack site. See how easy it is to put stuff online these days on the Jamstack. Look, it's on the live URL, womenofjamstack.netlify.app. It's right there. So now I need to work out how I'm going to do the data. Template and directory data files. This is what I want to do. A standard use case of this would be you've got a blog and each blog post is a file. Oh, I could do JSON, can't I? So inside data, which is the global data file that I have specified in my Eleventy config file, I just want a new folder because I want everyone to be able to contribute themselves to the site by just adding one file in here. So let's do profiles. So whitepanther.json is what I will call this. Twitter, username, White Panther, website. Let's do Cassidy's. Cassidy. And then we'll copy this and we'll do Cassidy. Then in my index.md, I want to loop over that. Let's just do some manual effort, some manual data entry to add the rest of the initial people on the launch. Cool. Okay, let's go and add the custom domain to Women of Jamstack, because I've already bought it on Netlify, so this should be like pretty instant. Add a custom domain, womenofjamstack.com, because I bought this through Netlify. So let's just go add domain. Netlify DNS. Okay. Oh, I've done it all. They just did it. Okay, great. So now, technically, Women of Jamstack should resolve. Boom! Okay, so Women of Jamstack is live. That'll do for now. The most basic thing. But it works right now. So let's commit this. Okay, so let's watch this transform in a matter of seconds as it gets deployed. Building. I mean, look how quick that was. There it is. Right, maybe that's it for today. I've kind of launched it. It's live. Do some of you remember when I was building a site like this before I added CSS and someone came in and said, looks like a 5-year-old made it or something? That was a bit silly. People don't understand that you don't data first, right? Like, why are you building it like that? This is a website. It's a perfectly functional website already. We built a thing. Design incoming, but technically this is a functional website. Thanks again, blah, blah, blah. Stay tuned. Tweet. Womenofjamstack.com. I mean, how easy? How easy is that?